little ones, today we are going to do I sound words. You can also say vowel I words. Okay, here are the words: zip, Z-I-P, zip. A tin, T-I-N, tin. A pin, P-I-N, pin. A lip, L-I-P, lip. Some more words are here: P-I-G, pig. W-I-G, wig. B-I-G, big. D-I-P, dip. Okay, you can write the words here and practice. Zip, tin, pin, lip, pig, wig, big, dip. Write all these words in your notebook and practice. I will show you how to write in your notebooks. And write in your notebook like this. Put the heading I sound words and you can write all the words like this: zip, pin, tin, lip, wig, pig, big, and dip. You can draw lines here and practice 2-3 times in the same page. Thank you, my dear children.